How to Build Wealth from Scratch, a story of two friends. Have you ever wondered how some people start with almost nothing, but slowly build a life of financial freedom? And why others, with the same opportunities, remain trapped in financial stress for years? The difference is not always a high salary, it is not always luck, and it is not about being born into a wealthy family. Sometimes, the biggest difference comes from small decisions made every single day. This is the story of two friends. They started with the same background, the same education, the same salary, the same dreams. But one learned how to build wealth from scratch, while the other spent years trying to survive. The same starting point. In a small town lived two close friends, Rahim and Karim. They grew up together. They played on the same streets, they attended the same school, and they dreamed about creating a better future for their families. After graduation, both moved to the city and found ordinary jobs. Their salaries were almost identical. Neither had rich parents, neither had powerful connections, neither received an inheritance. They both started from zero. At the beginning, nobody could predict who would become successful, because their lives looked exactly the same. Two different mindsets. Every morning, Rahim and Karim went to work together, but their thinking about money was different. Rahim believed money was something to enjoy today. Whenever he received his salary, he focused on his current desires: new clothes, eating outside, entertainment, small purchases. He always said, "I work hard. I deserve to enjoy my money." Karim also enjoyed life, but he thought differently. He believed every dollar had a purpose. Some money was for spending, some money was for saving, and some money was for building his future. The first step toward wealth. Karim created a simple rule. Every month, before spending money on anything else, he paid himself first. He saved a small amount. It wasn't impressive. It wasn't enough to make him rich, but it was consistent. While others waited to save whatever was left at the end of the month, Karim saved first and spent what remained. This one habit slowly changed everything. Learning the rules of money. Karim understood something important. Saving money was only the beginning. To build real wealth, he needed knowledge. So he started learning. He read books, watched educational videos, studied how successful people managed money. He learned about investing. He learned about compound growth. He learned that wealthy people don't only work for money, they make money work for them. The first challenge. A few years later, life tested both friends. Rahim's car needed an expensive repair. He had no emergency savings, so he borrowed money. The problem was solved temporarily, but the debt created more stress. Around the same time, Karim faced a similar problem. His computer broke. Because he had built an emergency fund, he paid for the repair without borrowing. The problem was the same. The difference was preparation. 5 years later, 5 years passed. Both friends earned more money than before, but their lives started moving in different directions. Rahim earned more, but spent more. Every salary increase created a more expensive lifestyle, more shopping, more unnecessary expenses, more financial pressure. Karim made a different choice. When his income increased, he increased his savings and investments. He understood a powerful lesson. Getting a higher income does not automatically create wealth. Keeping and growing money does. The power of investing. Karim started investing small amounts regularly. He didn't search for quick money. He didn't chase unrealistic promises. He focused on patience. Month after month, year after year, his investments continued growing. Sometimes the market went down. Sometimes it went up. But he stayed consistent because he understood. Wealth is built by time, not by excitement. The turning point. One day, Rahim asked Karim, "How did you become so financially stable?" Karim smiled. "I didn't build wealth with one big decision. I built it with thousands of small decisions. Every time I saved instead of spending. Every time I learned instead of ignoring, every time I invested instead of wasting, I was building my future. 20 years later, 20 years passed. The two friends looked back at their journey. Rahim had completely changed. He was no longer struggling. He had learned from his mistakes. He saved money. He invested. He built financial security. Karim had reached financial freedom. His investments generated income. He had choices. He worked because he wanted to, not because he had no option. The real secret of building wealth. Many people think wealth comes from one lucky opportunity, a perfect business idea, a huge investment, a sudden success. But most wealth is built quietly. One saved dollar, one smart decision, one good habit, repeated again and again. The richest people are often not the people who earn the most. They are the people who manage what they have the best. Your journey starts today. Maybe you are starting with very little. Maybe you have made financial mistakes. Maybe you feel like you are far behind. But remember Rahim and Karim. They started from the same place. The difference was not where they began. The difference was the choices they made every day. You don't need millions to start building wealth. You need discipline. You need patience. You need consistency. Start small. Learn continuously. Save regularly. Invest wisely. And give time the opportunity to work for you. Because wealth is not created overnight. It is built one decision at a time. Final message. The journey from zero to wealth does not begin with money. It begins with mindset. Your habits create your future. Your decisions create your opportunities. And your actions today create the life you will live tomorrow. The question is not, how much money do I have today? The real question is, what am I doing today to create a better financial future? Because anyone can build wealth from scratch, if they are willing to start small and stay consistent. Your future begins with the next decision you make.